Hi everyone, in our last video we saw how to convert text to date using date value and value functions. But the problem was with this last record where the delimiter is dot. So any delimiter which is other than slash or hyphen cannot be converted into corresponding date value using any of these two functions. So in this video we will see how to convert this kind of data into corresponding date value where the delimiter is other than slash or hyphen. Let's consider this sheet where we have all these dates in text format. So you can see here all the values are left aligned. So as we have discussed in our last video, the text data is always left aligned by default. So to convert these into corresponding date values, we'll use the find and replace method. If we have more records, select this entire column and press the shortcut Ctrl H. So in the find what, we'll type dot, which is our current delimiter, and in the replace with, we'll put forward slash. Now press replace all. So now we can see here all those text data have been converted into the corresponding date values. You can see now all the data are now right aligned. So as we have discussed in our previous video, date values are always right aligned in Excel by default. And here as well you can see it shows the type as date. So like this we have successfully converted all those text data into corresponding date values. If you want, you can give it to a format. So select here long date. So now all are in long date format. There is another method, that is the formula way. If you want to use functions, you can do that way as well. So to check that, let's undo all the changes first. So now again all these data are now left aligned, all are now in text format, and here we'll apply the formula. The function we will use is substitute function, equal to substitute. The first argument is text, which is this one, comma, old text, the dot, comma, new text, forward slash. Then the last argument, instance number, that we don't need to specify because we want for all the records. Close the bracket and press enter. So here you can see all the dots have been converted into a slash, but still it is left aligned. So the data is still in the text format. So before this function, we'll use the value function, equal to value bracket starts, and put this substitute function inside the bracket. And now let's press enter. And now you can see here it is right aligned and converted into a serial number. So as we have discussed in our previous videos, Excel stores the dates in serial numbers. So our this formula has successfully converted this text value into corresponding date value, which you can see right aligned and in the form of a serial number. Let's apply this formula across all these records. Now let's convert it into the long date format. And now you can see here this is 2nd January 2010. Like that, the last one is 23rd December 2021. So here our delimiter is dot, but it may be space or backslash. Any kind of custom delimiter can be successfully converted into the corresponding date values. So here we check the first method is the find and replace method, and the second method is this formula way. Sometimes the text date can be more complex, where the days, month will be in a more complex way, like this one, where you have day name, month name, and year in this way. So that type of complex text date cannot be converted into the date value by using all these simple methods. So for that, there is another way, that is text to column, that we'll see in our next video. So I hope this video helps you, and for more date related topics, you can click on this playlist, and for more Excel related topics, you can go through this playlist and subscribe to my channel. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.